Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss current electricity NCERT exercise question number 11. Let us start the video. Here they are mentioning a storage battery of EMF 8 volt and having the internal resistance 0.5 ohm, and it is being charged by 120 volt DC supply using a series resistor 15.5 ohm. Okay, let me represent the circuit diagram. Here there is a 8 volt battery, internal resistance 0.5. Internal resistance already we discussed, it always represent in series 0.5 ohm, and it is charged by 120 volt DC supply having the load resistance 15.5 ohm. Internal resistance smaller, this is E, this is applied voltage. E equal to 8 volt, applied voltage to the storage battery 120 volt, internal resistance 0.5 ohm, external resistance 15.5 ohm. What is the charging current? Here charging current, this battery, applied voltage DC to 120 volt DC supply, what it does, it charge this battery with a current I. What is the charging current? In this case, charging current I equal to applied voltage, let me write here, I equal to applied voltage minus EMF of the storage battery by small r plus capital R. This is I. 120 minus 8 by 0.5 plus 15.5, which is 112 volt by 16. 16 sevens are 7 ampere current. This is 7 ampere current. 7 ampere current. But they are not asking what is the 7 ampere current and what is the current in this charging current. They are asking to find what is the terminal voltage of the battery. Terminal voltage of the battery means from here to here. What is the terminal voltage? Terminal voltage for the charging situation. What is the terminal voltage for the charging situation? E plus I into internal resistance. Here E is 8 volt plus I, which is 0.7 into resistance is 0.5. 0.5 I'll write 1 by 2. 8 plus 7 by 2, 3.5, which is 11.5 voltage. Clear? Next, they are also asking what is the purpose of having a series resistor in the charging circuit. What is the purpose of this 15.5 ohm? If there is no 15.5 ohm, what will happen? From this DC supply, very huge, very high currents will come out. Very high currents are coming means it will damage the circuits. You can write the reason here. The series resistor limits the current from the external DC supply. External DC supply. If it is not there, what will happen? In its absence, the current may be this is the reason. the current may be dangerously high. It may affect the circuit. It may damage the circuit. Charging current formula E equal to applied voltage minus storage. This one is E by R plus R.